This YouTube video is to show you how to make a phone charger out of a Milwaukee battery without buying an adapter or USB, because they're about 100 quid. So I've done it on the cheap really. I'm going to show you this quick video of how I done it, and it's good for other things as well. You can use it for anything that drives power, basically small power. So watch this and see if you can learn something. Right, I just showed earlier, I just put another video on about the TS100 soldering iron. This video is literally about making a charger out of a Milwaukee battery. This is a 5 amp hour 18 volt Milwaukee battery, because I've only got Milwaukee drills. I find them very good. What I've done is, like on my other video I've just done, the TS100, I made up a little lead. It's just a USB male plug. I think it's the male. I'm not sure if it's a male or a female, but it's the one that everything plugs into anyway. Again, just got one of these leads so I can change between them, because I've put a spade and a crimp on here. I just plug the positive into my battery, the negative into the battery. Now it's giving me 18 volts. Plug the USB in. So now I've got 18 volts coming out of this USB. But of course, if I want to plug this in to my iPhone, it'd probably blow it to smithereens. So what I've done, I've got this sorry, unplug that. I'm plugging this little board, so plug this in. It lights up, which is nice. This cost about 8 quid from Amazon. It's a voltage regulator, so it can turn 18 volts up to, I think it's about 30 volts, and down to 1 volt just by a screw terminal. So at the minute, if I go onto the in, 19 volts 75, which is coming from this battery. So on the out, press the button, it gives you the out. I use this screw. Press that button. Right. So I've already got it set at 4.58 volts on the out, but turning this little terminal gives you a voltage range. I can turn it all the way up to, I believe it's 30 volts, but we'll have a look. But I think the wattage that it puts out isn't enough to drive my soldering iron, because I've tried it. That's why I go direct off the battery. But this will do, that's the soldering iron 65 watt, and I know it doesn't put out 65 watt, this little machine. But it goes, you see, 22 volts. So if you've got a laptop, you can, a 19 volt laptop, you'd be able to charge it just by putting the right plug end on the other adapter end there. But anyway, I'm going down to 5 volt. I'm just going to do a quick demo. I'm charging an iPhone. What is it? 5 volt. Come on. 4.99. 5 volt. There you go. Right, now what I made for this bit is, again, I've done this on the TS100 soldering iron. Just another little plug. You buy these females and males, and I just cut off the end. This was a 2-prong one, this little adapter here, and all I did was just solder the ends on, taped it up and heat shrunk it, pushed that into there. Take your normal USB iPhone charging lead, put that in there. Now I need my iPhone just to show you it works. And now, 1 second. Dog. Right, iPhone, when you plug it in, right, 1% charged. Now it's charging, and it tells you how many watts it's pushing out at 10.29 watts. So that's charging the phone now. So if you put the voltage up a tiny bit, the wattage should drop down. A fraction, but not a lot. So there you go. Charging off a Milwaukee battery. And then you just can change this for a laptop adapter or whatever you want. And I've actually jump started my van from this several times when my battery was failing. Similar, positive, negative, a little fly lead off like this with some 2.5mm cable straight onto the battery. Jump started a Ford Transit custom van, no problem. So if you've got one of these in the van or car, you'll jump start a car or a van with one of these, no problem at all. Thanks for watching. Keep tuned in, more of these videos coming.